I'm gonna take my car to the shop today and we're gonna get the middle resonators, mufflers, whatever you wanna call them, removed, leaving the back ones intact. So I'm gonna do a little quick before and after. Alright, so I got my exhaust put on yesterday afternoon, and I waited till this morning to do another recording of a start because I want it to be a true cold start. That way you get a good comparison. I really like the sound of having just the front resonators removed. To me, it's not too loud, but it does get a good sound when you get on it a little bit or when it's under a load, so awesome.